Hi friend, I am come back again with another interesting video. Today I will show you a best freelancer website that you will buy any service with cheap price. Also you can buy and resell that service on Fiverr to make money. So let's start. How you can buy. Professional logo design with guaranteed 24h delivery for $5. So let's start. First open the link in video description. After that you will need to register on Seoclerk. After that you can buy this service or any service you want. Using PayPal, Bitcoin or credit card payments method. Please you can check service delivery time, service rating, order is progress. Also you can check the service reviews. If you really like my video then please share, comment and subscribe our channel. Also click on the bell icon for next video notification. Thanks for watching.